was kind of cracking them a little bit. So I could play anything from 12 to 63.
Yeah. Nice.
This is always fun.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Roughly around 29 at the moment.
Okay. Nice.
So I can play anything from 12 to 63.
Yeah. Nice. Did you build this and put this in here?
Yeah. So
Nice work.
I did everything in here.
Looks good. Nice. So what's your name and what's in here for the video?
My name is Joseph.
Okay.
I have TikTok and Instagram.
What's the names?
Windy Warrior is the TikTok.
Okay.
X420 Madman is the Instagram.
All right.
I have most of the work on there.
What's your box specs, if you know, like the cubic space on it and all? Do you remember?
Not sure. It started at 9.58.
Okay. And this is at, what is your Smart 5 at? Ran to 1 ohm, 2 ohm, half?
It's 1 ohm at the moment.
Okay. Nice. Looks good. And which branch level discards are they?
That's the ZVX V2s.
ZVX, okay.
Yeah, I was kind of cracking them a little bit.
On the lower frequencies, is it not liking it? Or?
I mean, they're 3 years old. So.
Oh, wow, okay. Oh, nice doors, yes, sir. What size, where's your lithium at? Is it hidden or?
Right there.
Oh, there it is. I
You can
missed
open
it.
the back doors and see.
Okay. How much lithium is that?
96.
96, okay. Nice. What size alternator?
It's 250.
250 amp? Okay. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, you're good.
Step out in that dress for no ass and it's a fucking
right down to 19, real clean. Is it tuned that low, or like just really clean when it plays that lower frequency?
I'm roughly around 29 at the moment.
Okay. So, hey, appreciate it. Nice to meet you again, man.
Yes, sir. Always.